Hello guys, we are here in Expressions Professional Seats. Ayan, here in Malaysia. Ayan, ganyan kataas guys. So ayan, let's go inside. Expression. It is Airbnb. So ayan guys. Thank you. Thank you po.
Wouldn't know what pub is.
Ha?
Does anybody even know what pub was?
Hi guys. Ayan. Ang dami natin ah. 1, 2, 3. In the camera, look 3.
Ah, yeah,
Mirror. Hey guys, punta tayo sa room natin. Room 36. Kita mo view dito guys. Oh. Kita ang view. How big? So, ayan. Meron ditong cabinet. Ayan, guys. May iron. Pwede mo ilagay yung gamit niya dito. And, ito. For the clothes. Ayan, guys. Ito naman ang refrigerator. Dito. Dito. Ref. Puro soft drinks. Ito yung water dispenser. Yan. May mga gamit din dito. Ayan. Ito ang bathroom. May bathtub. Pag gustong maligo sa bathtub, ayan. Ayan, may dalang bowl, lavatory. My mirror. Mirror hanging on the wall. Ayan. Tapos may washing machine, guys. May washing machine. Ayan, washing machine. Maglalaba muna ako, guys. Ayan, ito yung shower. Okay naman. At ito ang view sa labas. Guys. Kita dito yung tower, oh. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung aming room. Ayan, ito yung room. Diba? Oh, may TV. Ito yung gamit ko. Ayan, nandun yung blower ko sa ano. Kita din dito yung view. Sa labas ay maganda. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Ito na kayo guys mag ano. Kitang-kita yung tower. Ito yung view sa baba. Diba? So, ito pa. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda nga ni. Ayan guys. BC Road. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like my video. If you're going to Malaysia, you can book here in Expression RMB. Bye everyone. See you again in my next video and my next live stream. Bye. Thank you for watching.